Hello, guys, and welcome back. Let's talk about airlines, and this will be an actual play that I'm looking to alert. The cool part is that this play is going to be very cheap, and I'm looking to grab a couple month out expiration on airlines. I want to talk about why airlines are bullish, my stop loss, my price target, and overall why. What pattern? A simple pattern is supply and demand, which I want to talk about. Now, JETS is a ETF for airlines. They hold, like Delta Airlines, American Airlines, United Airlines, and all of them look the same. Okay, so let's take a look at JETS right over here. They hold those airlines like how QQQ holds tech. Now we're looking at JETS daily. And one thing we're noticing is that 1.50, okay? As you can see, this white line over here, $21.59. This is a major support. How do we know that? Because we have been bouncing off of this many times right over here. Okay, so a lot of times right over here, and we are about to hit that level. So around tomorrow, if we are red, it's about to hit that level. I'm looking to grab a couple month out expiration on JETS calls. Okay, again, very cheap. I'm looking at the Robinhood right now. I'm looking at 2022 calls, and they're looking very nice. They're looking very cheap right over here. Now, so this is going to be our entry, and this is actually going to be our stop loss. So below 21.59 is where I want to cut it, okay? So if we close below this right over here, we're very bearish right over here. And keep in mind, this is a major support. Our price target is going to be these resistance right over here. So price target is going to be 24.12, and what I'm gonna do is, let's see, that's gonna be around a 9%. So even holding shares is not a bad idea in my opinion. I might alert a shares play because, again, I'm working on practicing with shares, like managing a fund. Now, this is our stop loss. One thing that you have to understand is that this is also a major support, because that is kind of like the COVID level. So where COVID kind of rejected that level, we're about to hit that COVID level where airlines were struggling. So that is why it is a major support right over here. Now, this is a cheaper play. Okay, this is a very cheap play. Even if we look at other options like Jet, even if we look at like Delta Airlines, and let's look at these contracts, the contracts are very cheap. Okay, and again, we're looking at couple month out expirations, because again, it's looking very nice. Now again, the contracts are very cheap. So I'm deciding to do Jets because it is the cheapest. Okay, the calls are the cheapest for Jets. So I'm looking at February right over here, and these calls are very nice, around $127 for 22 strike February 22. I'm looking at the calculator right over here. Basically, we can calculate our profits if we do hit price target on Jets by like next month, the next 2 months. So right around over here, that should be a nice 40%. Okay, that should be a nice 40% play. And honestly, even a 20% play, you guys gotta think about it. This play is very cheap, and this play is a leap play. So personally, I'm loving this play. We have a very tight stop loss on this play, so this play just looks great. Another thing you guys have to understand is that tech, okay? Tech is carrying the market right now, and most of the money right now is in tech. And what we can get is an actual rotation. Now, what I want to show you guys right over here is, let's take a look at Apple. Okay, so right now, Apple is looking very nice. It's going up, and airlines are going down. Okay, tech is going up while airlines are going down. What we can see is that tech goes down. So let's take a look at Apple and in February, okay? So in February is a perfect example that I've played these airlines where we tech would just drop because the money from tech is going into airlines. So if we actually look at February right over here, as you guys saw, February had a increase price on airlines right over here, and again that is caused by that rotation right for that. So what we're seeing right over here is we can possibly get into a rotation back into airlines coming in. Another thing I want to show you guys is Boeing. Boeing is a more expensive play. Okay, this is a very expensive play. The stock is expensive. It's like $209 right now, but Boeing is also sitting at a major support level. All of those airlines are sitting at a major support levels, but the reason why I picked Jets is because it is a very cheap play. It is going to be a swing. We're going to have a couple of months on it, and this looks very nice. So overall, Jets, Boeing, all of them look very nice into a possible rotation coming in right over here. We even look at Jets right over here. If we're actually looking at a bigger time frame, we kind of have this descending triangle right over here. I'm also kind of seeing this head and shoulder right over here, but that won't work unless if we break the actual support. I also want to take a look at Delta Airlines, because Delta Airlines again is also airlines, but it is kind of like more tighter than Jets, because again we're still in this descending triangle, so we're looking to trade sideways. That is why I am grabbing a lot of time. Grabbing a lot of time is very nice on your options, so that you're not gonna risk theta, and then we have some days off. We have like Powell, so those days theta won't take in place, and especially if we do trade sideways, because as you can see, sometimes we just trade sideways, and for that we can't really do anything about it, as long as if you have like a long expiration or if you have shares right over here. So I'm expecting it to just trade sideways right over here. I'm looking to enter in a position tomorrow if we hit that support level, and please set alerts at these levels. I already have alerts right over here, but Jets is going to be the cheapest play, and please set a alert entry. I'll be alerting shares and I'll be alerting leaps. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very simple video. I'm loving this play. I thought this would be a very nice play, especially for you guys with under $1,000 in your account, because usually my plays are around $10,000, but this is a very cheap play. Okay, as I mentioned right over here, these are very cheap. Even if we grab like March expiration, these are coming in very cheap. So I'm gonna actually check the calculator right now. Let's say if I want to go in a little bit safer. Okay, so let's go in like June 2020. That's like very safe. Okay, so that's like almost like a couple months, and as you can see, our price target around 23.50. That's still around 20%, but I'm gonna do the February expiration. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to comment if you guys do have any questions. I'll be looking to alert it tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at market open. Bye bye.